This is problem number 8 from section 5.5. In this problem, it says the population P of a state in millions X years after 2000 can be modeled by this function. Now we're going to write down P is the pop in millions and X is years after 2000. So I'll write X equals years after 2000. Part A. Use properties of logarithms to solve this equation for X. So take this equation, solve it for X. So we're just rewriting it. So part A, we're going to start with P equals 37 e to the 0.012x. First thing I'm going to do, I got to get X by itself, so I got to isolate e to the 0.012x. I'm going to do that by dividing by 37. So we end up with P over 37 equals e to the 0.012x. Now I'm going to take the natural log of each side so I can cancel this base. Remember, if we do the log base b of b, we get 1, so I want to cancel this e out. And so I'm going to do the natural log of the left side, which is P over 37. And that's going to equal the natural log e to the 0.012x. This will come to the front using the third log law, right? The exponent can come to the front. So I end up with the natural log P over 37 equals 0.012x times natural log e. Natural log e we know is 1 from law 6, so this cancels out. And now I'm going to divide each side by 0.012. And so x is going to equal natural log of P over 37 all over 0.012. So that is part A. Part B, it says, use the equation found in part A to find x when P is 42. So we want to find x when P is 42. So we're going to write x equals natural log of P over 37 all over 0.012. Now I'm going to plug P, so P equals 42. When I plug it in, I get x equals natural log 42 over 37 all over 0.012. So x equals, I'm going to plug all that in the calculator. So we can say, I'm just going to make a fraction bar, right? And on top we'll have natural log. And then inside that I'll make another fraction bar of 42 over 37. And then on the bottom, I'm going to have 0.012. 12, not 21. Hit enter. Tells me I get 10.6 if I round it to the 10th for a solution. Now it wants us to interpret this. So 10.6 tells you that, well, our population of 42, so 42 million. So the population, we plugged in 42 for P. So the population will be 42 million around, now remember this is years after 2000, so 10.6 is close to 2011. The population